Hey guys, this is DIY Guy 65 Davis. Uh, I'm here to do a review on a charger that I just got in. I'm starting this whole battery thing, this electrical EV, because I'm gonna make a electrical a scooter. I'm gonna convert my riding lawnmower into a electric lawnmower, and I'm gonna just start powering all my devices and stuff with these battery cells. So I needed a new charger that does different things because I'm gonna be getting used batteries and I'm gonna be getting new batteries and different types of batteries for different applications. And I got an experience in chargers. You know, if I've had chargers like this charger here, this is just for AA and AAA batteries specifically. It's a good battery charge I've had for maybe 10 years, and I've always used it. I got another battery charger. This one right here, it does AA batteries and 9-volt batteries and AAA batteries. We hardly ever use 9-volt anymore, but it's still some things that you do use 9-volt with, like smoke detectors or whatever. But these been good too and sturdy. But I needed something a little bit more than that does more, because charging these is 18650 batteries. Charging these batteries and different types of batteries. I don't even know what kind these are yet, but I'm gonna find out. I needed something new to tell me about how good the battery is. Be able to set the voltage when you charge them, because it's going to be different charges and different volts and different currents and all those kind of things, and also be able to revive some dead batteries, which is possible. I got the battery charger. Well, I went online looking for different battery chargers that can do all of those things, and seeing reviews and different stuff, and I came up with one battery charger that just seemed to be the one. And it's from a company called Nitecore. It's the this one here specifically, because they got different ones. This one here is the Nitecore intellicharger new i4 charger. This one here, let's see if I can get it right there. It's packed with a lot of features. All the ones I was kind of looking for. It has it does twice the charging speed of the regular the i4 charger, the first one I guess, which I didn't get. I just went and got this one, but I looked on there. I might even get that one, but they got various ones. It does twice the charging speed. It got active current distribution. That's called ACD technology. It's compatible with 1.2 volts, 3.7 volts, 4.2 volts, 4.35 volts. I mean, all of those. And some of them you probably never use. I probably never use. I don't know. But it's good to have. It's charging program optimized for IMR batteries, which I'm just now learning about those, but in another video we'll talk about what is IMR batteries and the different types of batteries once I learn them all. It's got automatic current based on battery capacities. It's got current selections. You can select different currents for different batteries in here. Each one, this is a 4-bay. Let me show you the actual product. This is a 4-bay battery charger. So I can put 4 batteries in here at one time and charge them all at the same time. But also, I can change the current in each one simultaneously, so it could charge different currents in each bay. And it can do, you can set different types of things in each bay. So I can put this type of battery in there. Then I can put another type of battery in there, like one of these type of rechargeable AAA batteries in there, all at the same time, like this. And then put this one in there, and as you can see, is recognizing both of them separately. I don't know what the lights mean yet. You can see this now and tell me what that means. But I'm gonna look all that up because I just got it in yesterday, and I put 4 of my batteries, 1865s. These are good Samsung batteries, wherever they at. And I knew they was good. Well, I knew a couple of them was good. I knew 4 was good and maybe 2 was bad. So I put 2 bad ones in there and 2 good ones in there, and it told me automatically what the what it did. It charged up those 2. The other ones, I don't know what it did because I don't know what the light means yet. But anyway, let's go on about this. What I know so far. Oops. It's got all these protections. It automatically detects the battery you put in there and set the voltage and current to start charging. If it's a bad battery, it automatically tell you that with the lights. I have to look and see again what the lights mean, but it does that. It's just a great charger that I seen, and it's backed by other people that use it. I ain't heard nothing bad about these things so far, and it's giving me everything I want, and it's compatible with so many different types of batteries, from AA, AAA, 4A, C's, D's, lithium ions from 18 10 340s all the way up to 26 650s. It's got all of that. It comes with its own plug. It also got an optional car charging 12 volt plug also, so you can take it with you and plug it into your car or anything that's 12 volts and charge up your batteries on the go. Look at all the compatible batteries that is compatible with. And like I said, it's got a car charger, which is optional. You have to buy that separate if you want that. But I believe that I was about to say, I believe you can find, maybe you got a charger already that go in there, but I think you should use the specific one that goes to that. The input is DC 9 to 12 volts. The outputs is varied. You know what I'm saying? It's from 4.35 volts all the way to 0.375 amps. All of that. So, all in all, with all of these features that it has, and especially with the 4 bay, and I think they got a 5 or 6 bay charger, not like this, I don't know, but they got one for more batteries. Now, I just want to say this though. The lighting, the indicator lights, it tells you, the charging status, whether it's going all the way up so it can sell it full charge. It tell you if it's got a dead battery or not. It tell you, which bay you operating with, that you want to set the manual controls or whatever. It does all those things once you know all the lighting. But I think the digital displays is even better. And they just so happen to have one that I just looked up on their website with a digital display. I think it's called intellicharger or something. I'm going to look it up. That's my next charger. And I'm going to say from now on that this is Nitecore is where I'm going to buy my chargers from. And I also was looking up. They got batteries also. If their battery price is right, I'm gonna buy it from there because it just seems like with all the reviews and me going to their website and everything, this is a good place to get your chargers and your batteries for different types of things. Most people are obviously getting them for vaping, but these batteries could be used for just endless things. And Nitecore, new i4 chargers, IntelliCharger, or they got regular chargers. This is the place. I recommend it 100%. This is DIY Guy 65. Peace.